Hello friend, thanks for subscribing. I feel gratitude that you appreciated my work. Thank you. Hi, in this video we see how to install a Google Chrome extension from our PC into Google Chrome browser. So first click on these three dots, click on more tools, click extension. Now first of all I am removing the existing Google Chrome extension, that is vidIQ. Click on remove, click remove. So for this, first of all just copy the path of the extension. Now go to the website crxextraction.com. now click on start for free. Now here we have two options, that is we can directly paste the URL of the Chrome extension. Actually we are trying to install the CRX file which is located in our PC. So we are going to select the CRX file from our PC. Now click choose file, paste the path. Now select the CRX file. Now click on get source code. Now we get a zip folder. Right click. Now we have extracted it. Now we have copied the path, and now click on load unpacked. Now select the folder. Now if the extension is working perfectly, then we should be able to see this here. See, the vidIQ offline version is working perfectly. So as long as the folder is located here, then it keep on working. But if we remove this file from here, then it stops working. So let's check this. Just I am selecting and removing this. Now let's see and refresh here. So even it is see, so the location of the unpacked extension is here. We have removed this from here. See, once we removed the folder from there, then it stopped working. So this is the process of installing Google Chrome extension in offline mode from your PC. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.